Hello guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how to see Steam password while logged in. So if you're logged into your Steam right here and you want to see your password, here's a few things that you can do to actually check it out. So security, you go there, you change your password basically right here, and then it says right here, would you like to change your password? And all you have to do is go, I have no longer have access to this email, and then you're just gonna have to provide the new email address that you want, or the what was the first email you used on your account, and the account or the phone number in your account, and you will have to attach what's your password, like you're asking what's your password, and send. And it's just that simple, so they will get back to you as soon as possible. There's also another type of version of this where it'll ask you your credit card number or debit card number in the past if you have purchased an item right here, and you want to actually just try to um, use that information to get your password back. You can also do it right here. So there you go, guys. That is how you actually get your Steam password while you're logged in. And it's just that simple.